Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sarah Arquines, your clinical pharmacist. So there was a question about fiber-rich foods. What are the foods that we need to eat to get the most fiber out of these foods, especially in those patients that are recommended to take more fiber. So I just want to include a summary of the fiber-rich foods, the things you can take, and amount of fiber each person needs to be taking based on their age and gender. So fiber-rich foods. There are fruits that are rich in fiber: apples, berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, bananas, pears, and oranges. Then we have the vegetables: broccoli, Brussels sprouts, carrots, sweet potatoes, artichokes, and asparagus. These have high amounts of fiber in them. Legumes: beans, lentils, peas, and chickpeas. They have a lot of fiber in them. You can also switch to nuts and seeds for snacking: almonds, walnut, chia seeds, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds. Whole grain, such as oatmeal, whole wheat grain, brown rice, quinoa, and popcorn. Other nutritional fiber-rich foods may include avocado, dried fruits like raisins and prunes, and nut butters, such as peanut butter and almond butter. How much fiber you should be taking each day, it depends on the gender and the patient's age, the person's age. So for men under 50 years old, it's usually about 38 grams per day. For women under 50 is 25 gram over here. As I listed over here, it's a little bit less recommended. Men over 50, 30 gram, and women over 50, 21 gram. So also for caloric intake, aim for 14 gram of fiber per 1,000 calories consumed. So for each 1,000 calories consumed per day, you need to aim for 14 grams of fiber. Again, finding the fiber foods may not be as difficult as you may think, but they're very important for you to take to help your digestion and reduce the bloating and gas and absorption of the food in your GI tracts. This again includes fruits such as apple, berries, strawberries, raspberry, blueberries, vegetables, especially Brussels sprouts, broccoli, carrots, sweet potatoes, asparagus, beans, lentils, peas. You can have nuts, which is almond nuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and sunflower seeds that have the most fiber. Avocado, dried food, and I went over the amount of fiber you should be taking, which is generally 14 grams per each 1,000 calories you consume. For more detailed information on what fiber foods to eat, make sure to comment on the video, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have on fiber-rich foods. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, stay safe and take your medications.